Mayas. And there was one institute called Carnegie of Washington came to Chichen Itza in 1925, and it finished in 1935 to restore that temple. Just to restore that building, they spent almost 10 years.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the bottom of this temple. Come over here, let me show you this. Look, if I stand here and I clap, we hear an echo. Sounds whatever. It's part of nature. Yeah, it's a natural sound. Now what happens if I stand right here in front of that stairway? We are going to hear a bird sound. Let me show you. Listen.
Wow.
Come over here, my friends. So if I stand here in front of that temple, you are going to hear how the sound is going to bounce off that temple to that platform. And finally it bounces off that building, so it amplifies in a whole plaza. Huh? Can you hear?
Yeah.
That's a bird sound. In 2007, Discovery Channel was in Chichen Itza with experts on archaeoacoustic, and they could not understand the origin of this. And nowadays, with the last research, archaeologists have updated results, and they think that the stairs, the kind of a stone, yeah, the echo of a clap which rebounds, the stairs at the bottom and the stairs at the top make the sound of that bird. Actually, the angle of inclination, my friends, play an important part to get that acoustic effect. Yeah, the bird sounds.
But think about how